Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Luis in here with us. It's all the way here from Arizona. Him and his mother came here together, and his mom actually started getting adjusted yesterday too after seeing Luis's first couple of adjustments. And Luis comes in here with some chronic neck and back pain that he's had for over a year and a half. And you've had other adjustments before, right?
Yeah. I've been sold in chiropractic before, and not the same as this one at all.
Okay. So let's show them how we did that then, Luis. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. You know, someday chiropractors are going to get over their fears and their anxieties about doing this manual spinal decompression, and it'll be more global. So I won't be the only one in the world doing it. And then maybe you could actually get adjusted out there in Arizona. Still wouldn't be for me, but.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Okay, let's do this one first today, Luis. There we go. As you can see, Luis's big boy played football, so he's had a lot of cumulative repetitive trauma. There we go. Yep. I'm gonna do this a little differently and get you in there more symmetrically. There we go. Okay, let me get you a clean towel here. Okay, let's lift your head up. There you go. Oh yeah, home run. Or touchdown in your case, football. Alright. Yes, sir. On a swivel now.
Yep.
So you felt that all the way down, didn't you?
All the way
down.
He's still kicking.
Yeah, he's still kicking him. No, I didn't check him. I know he is. I only do that for fun anyway. Come over this way.
Just how he got up by himself.
Yes. It was amazing.
Fast, yeah.
From Monday. Legs are even. That's a good start. And they stay even. That's also a good start. That didn't tighten up in your low back too bad, did it?
Nope.
Not like that first day when we did the exam, huh? Yep. Okay. I'll let this down a little bit so I can get a little better leverage on this. Yes, sir. Good job. There. Okay. And you stay even. That feels even easier though, doesn't it?
Way easier.
You're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit on this. We'll slide down this way just a little bit for me, please, sir. There you go. Yes. You started getting your cervical curve back in there too, Luis. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. There we go. There we go. Slide down just a bit there. Perfect. Okay, now let's put both arms straight out to the side. Now slide down a little bit more. There. There we go. Yep. Okay, relax your hands right there. There we go. Feel that all the way up into your lower back, Luis?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, let this go too. Yep. There you go. Good. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way today. There you go. Wow, he's moving tons quicker, isn't he? Okay. Luis has got such broad shoulders, I can barely get my arms around him to adjust him. There you go. Whew. Oh, don't get up yet. That's all right. I still got a couple more cracks to get out of you. Still got about 15 more joints to adjust. Good. Okay, let's stand you up right here in front of the mirror now. Wow. I swear he's taller. Let's have you flex forward and backwards again, Luis. You can't even see me behind Luis, can you?
Nope.
Okay, let's come here, here. Yes, sir. Wow. That's impressive. If I do say so myself. Try that again, Luis. It should be on a swivel for you. That easier?
Oh yeah.
Stop at neutral. Don't give yourself a dizzy spell. Okay, see how much the hump's gone down in his upper back there? Yeah. So Luis, would you mind sharing with our YouTube audience what has been your experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief this whole week? Because you've been getting adjusted twice a day for the last 3 days.
Yeah, the whole experience, Miss Renee, she made sure everything was set up when we first came in. The whole the adjustment itself, yeah, I've never had it. It's truly life-changing. I've never had anything done like it before.
And you've seen other chiropractors before too, right?
Yeah, and they didn't give me like a full evaluation like you did. They didn't ask me any detailed questions like that. All they did was hop up on the table and did adjust me for like 2 minutes and
See you on Wednesday.
yeah, see you later.
Yeah.
But
Okay,
yeah,
well,
no.
thanks for sharing that with everyone. It's been a pleasure treating you this week. You still got one more though,
I
huh?
got one more.
Yep.
One more later today.
Are you feeling better than when you came in on Monday?
Tons better.
Yeah.
Tons better. I'm moving a lot better, sleeping a lot better. No pain at all in my legs like I used to have.
Yep.
It's awesome.
That's cool.
It's awesome.
Yeah, that's chiropractic, and this is Advanced Chiropractic Relief, and I'm your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.